What if in this video I give you an SEO tool with the help of you can just easily kill the SEO and make your blogging effortless, because it has so many great features like the topic discovery for your niche authority building. It has the keyword explorer, it has the keyword planner, it has the content creator. With the help of you can just generate SEO optimized keywords, and then you can turn those keywords into the article, and these articles is going to rank on the search engine. It is also the plagiarism checker that will help you to understand whether the generated content is actually the good, unique, original, or just copied. Okay, so let me tell you this tool name. This is the WriterZen, and best thing, it's back again on the lifetime deal on the Appsumo. It has so many months that I am seeing right now. The WriterZen is back with the LTD, and the pricing is still affordable. And the one thing that I want to note you down, because its lifetime deal is now more easy, affordable, and make them more value giving to all of you guys. Okay, so right now starting from the just $79, here you will get the 50 keyword lookup per month, 50 topic lookup per month, 50 article per month, 25,000 words checked per month, per day. Sorry, this is the per day, not per month. Okay, then this is the 25,000 keyword credits per month, 5,000 AI writing words per month, 3,000 keywords per import, 3,000 words limit per check, 20 keywords lists, 2 team members. Yes, you can even add your team members here. This is the best thing, and it is more value giving compared to the previous deals. So that's why I suggest you should not miss out this lifetime deal here. And you can check out, even Appsumo has selected this tool for their selected category. This is the good part. And look at the reviews. It has more than 200 reviews for its lifetime deal. You can just start reading out these reviews, and you will find out whether it's actually the good for the its purchased user or not. So here you can read out, generate unique content ideas, and use detailed insight to create content that thrives. Identify lucrative long-term keywords using powerful filters and the specialized metrics. This is the first of its really cool alternative to the SEMrush or the Ahrefs, because it has the tool set for the SEO. Okay, and in this video I am going to give you an introductory overview all of these features that is available right now in the serial wise. So first I'm going to talk about the topic discovery. You can also access this feature from this dashboard section, but if you want to check it out on this main screen, you can see there's these shortcuts available. This is topic discovery, keyword explorer, keyword planner, plagiarism checker, and this is for your content creator. In the real time you can also check it out whether the what's the performance you are getting here. So let's get to the topic discovery, and let me show you how this feature works. So in the topic discovery, here you can see you have to just add your seed keyword, select the target country and the language, and you are done. For me, let me just search the coffee. Okay, and let's click on this search. I'm going to remain this country and the let's go with the global. I think this is the good. Then let me select the language. Let's go with the English, and let's click on the search. And it will take just few seconds to collect the data, do the research, and you will be amazed because it is going to identify the top 100 URLs from the SERP, and after that it is going to show you the keywords for your niche building. This is the best. It's a topic discovery too. So let me please have some wait here, and I will show you all the results that you are going to amazed. And right now we got the data here, so you can see this is all the groups available, and it will help you to just build the authority around your main niche. Okay, so you can see this is my main topic, this is the local, this is for the shopping keyword, this is for the subscription. Okay, this is something like the music, fox, all the things, different kind of the topics you got it here. For me, I think I want to just create the local kind of the niche here. So you can see this is the local group, and here in the instant I got to know how much the it's a potential. You can see this is the total value. You can check it out here, and if I click here on the show ideas, it will start showing me all the ideas related to the main keyword with their article link and the keywords, that is the seed here on the right side. Okay, and I can also find it out all the questions, all the prepositions, and the comparison. So this thing you can do with this topic discovery, and I am just showing you the tip of the iceberg, because once you go to its detailed insight list, you will get the more things like the local coffee shops near me. This kind of the thing will help you to just build the authority for the local shop. Okay, this is just I have showed you one group. Let me show you the another that is the main topic for me. Let me click on the show ideas, and now you will be amazed. This is all the highly main ideas. I can just check out the headlines, I can just check out the main SERP results, I can check out all the keywords, all the questions that is the highly unique for me. This is the thing I'm talking about. Plus you can also filter out these things like the closely, medium or the widely. This is basically built for your topic research, making easy. You can also select the order. There's this thing that will help you to so this list display is the more effortless according to your objective. For me, this is the right now in the table kind of the view, but there's also the tree like view here. So if I select here, I will got the more detailed tree like view here. Okay, so this is the thing I'm talking about. And once everything is done, you have selected the topic, just click on the export button and your topic will be exported, that you can use or see whenever you want. Okay, there's also this learning hub available section available on all of the features I'm going to show you, so you can start learning more about their features of the WriterZen. Like there's so many things that you are going to miss if you are going to find yourself, but start with learning hub and you will get to know more things. Okay, so this is the topic discovery I have showed you. Now let's go to the next feature, that is the keyword explorer. And there are so many ways you can start your keyword research. Like you can just start with the seed keyword. There's the domain. If you have any of the competitors domain, just paste it here, it will show all of the keyword. Then it has also the wildcard search. This is the thing that you will not found out on many of the keyword research tools, but here WriterZen is also offering. So many of these features is really unique. Okay, and I think this is like the after the 2 years I am again reviewing the WriterZen in 2024. If you want to check out my previous reviews and comparison of the WriterZen, just go to my YouTube channel and just search the WriterZen, and here you will find out all the comparisons, all the details, reviews, all the tutorials, demo for the WriterZen, and you can check it out. These are all the 2 years ago's content. Okay, but now I am giving the fresh on the its latest user interface and the features. You can see this is the version 2.35.3. okay, so let me enter the my seed keyword. Again I am going to just go with the coffee beans. Let's click on the search. There's the also the import your list of the keyword. If you have the keywords list, you can also import. Select the country, I am go with the global. Select the language, click on the search, and again it will take some time, few seconds to start running out its data here and show you all the things. So you can see this is the search volume, this is the SERP overview, all the top 10 or the top 20 key domains that are ranking for this particular seed keyword. Then it is showing me the CPC keywords idea. It has more than 1200 keywords ideas for my this seed keyword here, and I also got the trend for the on search volume for my main topic keyword. So I get to know whether it's actually good or I am just starting my blog on the trending topic, its volume is increasing or decreasing. It will help me to know the future potential for my blog. Okay, this is the total search volume and this is the keywords data. There are so many filters options available, like we have in the SEMrush or the Ahrefs, and we can use any of them. We can use to make the cluster to forecast. There's also the keyword golden feature available. This is one of the great feature, by the way. If you don't know how to get started, this is the learning hub I suggest you should get started with. You will get to know all the things. Then what I can do, I can just mark the keywords that I find useful. Okay, then I can just export the list and use it anywhere well I like it. Okay, this is the total keyword, this is the phrase keyword, this is the having same terms, this is the also search for, and if I click on the insights, it will give me the better insights based on the topics, like how, do, which. Okay, so this is the detailed keyword explorer I want to show you. Okay, and I think this is the worth it. In just such affordable pricing, we can get to know this huge database that is the pretty accurate. Okay, now let's go to the next tool, that is the keyword planner, and this is the same thing. You have to just import the keyword list and it will show you all the details I have showed you in the keyword explorer section. So let me skip this keyword planner and let me go to the main feature here is the content creator, and this is the one of the major core feature, because here I will show you how you can use WriterZen to generate the SEO optimized article. So once you got your keyword from the keyword explorer, okay, for me I have these two keywords I have selected. Let me go to the keywords data here, and these are the 2 or 3 keywords like coffee beans tea leaf. Okay, so I will just copy it, and let me go to the content creator, click on the new project. Here I need to add the project name, so you can add the project name with your blog name, with your brand name. I am going to name it as the brand X. Let's click on the add, and there in the inside of this project I have to add my seed keyword. So this is my seed keyword, and you can see there's this NLP options, means it is going to show me the data, the thing with the NLP. Okay, then this is the content brief and the share access. I will show you step by step, so just stay with me. Okay, then after that I have to select the language, and for the particular which country I want to create this blog post. So I am going to with the United Kingdom. Okay, so I will select it here. Then after that what I can do, I can also add the few more keywords, so it can be more specific. Okay, or what you can do, just use WriterZen to suggest more keywords. So I will just select this one. The priority I am going to go to with the medium. The deadline, this is the deadline feature you can assign for your team members, so I'm going to make it around the 24 hours. Okay, and then you can check it out. AI assistant, write article title, description and outline, write the whole article. So you can select any of these things. Like if you have the team member, then I think the first thing is the good, but if you want to just create the full article from the scratch, I suggest enable this one and this one too. Okay, not enough AI credits. Okay, I am just showing you all the things from my trial account, that's why it is suggesting me not enough AI credits. Okay, so I will just disable any of these one, and let me check. Okay, I cannot create, so I cannot use its AI writer to show you its quality because I have the trial account. But let me still click on the create and show you how the things get with the step by step. So right now it is taking few seconds to collecting the data. You have to wait. It will start identifying the competitors, and it will show you the data based on the real-time competitors analysis. So this is again the good thing. So the data collecting is done. Let me click on the OK, and here you can see content format. You can select whether it's your case study, comparison, blog post, all kind of the things. Basically from the format you can select the writing tone. I will go with the something like the formal or informative explanatory. So let's say we select target audience. I can add the perspective, content again, and note for the writer. Okay, so once everything I have added, just click on the save, and now you can see I have all the competitors from the SERP, and I can just check out how many the words count all available that it has analyzed for my content analysis. Okay, then here I can find out all the other questions that people also ask. So I am around the 84 questions. I can check the relevance. This is the good indicator available, and I can also check out all the insights. There's also the topic people discuss, how people compare, and the Reddit topics. So this is the thing and the detailed insight you are getting. Okay, so you have to select any of these things that you like to just include in your content or the exclude. Okay, so once everything is done, you can add the title. So I can just analyze all these titles, and after that I can add the description. If I have the AI, I can just automatically use its AI to generate the title and the seed keyword. So let me see whether it's actually I can use it or not. So I need the credits, so I cannot. Let's click on the setup and start building the outline. Save and set up keywords. Okay, so I have the keywords available, and these are all the keywords will be included in my article. So this is the good. Let's click on the save and begin writing. I will write myself. Okay, and you can see this is the content writing dashboard. Here you can start writing the content. Okay, so let me show you what are these things and these things here. So here you can check out, this is the import content section, this is for the export, and this is for the your email account. It has the deadline, so basically this is for good for the team members. And here you will find out all the formats like adding the templates, bullet points, and your font size. And there's the thing, You can use this button for the content brief and notes. It is for the sharing. It is for the you need some help or start with the content learning hub. Basically, this is all about. And here it will start showing out your outline. For me, it is not showing. So what I will do, I will just click on the here, and now I can just select the outlines. Okay, so let me go to the show all competitors, and I can just analyze their outlines and set up here. So once everything is done, just click on the save and setup, and that's how you have just set up your content writing outlines, opportunities, suggested keywords by WriterZen. So that's how you can use its content writer. I know I haven't given you the proper step-by-step tutorial here, so let me tell you sorry, because this is the just introductory overview. So now let me go to the last feature, that is the plagiarism checker. So once your article is generated or you have returned with the help of your team member, but now you want to check it out whether it's actually the original content, unique and the SEO optimized or not, or whether it's the matching any duplicate content from the net. So that's why they have also added this new feature, that name is the plagiarism checker. Once your article is done, export it or copy it, click on the new project. Here you need to just enter your content and click on the add, and once it will add it, it will start analyzing the content and show you how much the plagiarism it has found out on the articles, and from which place it has the duplicate content matching, so that you can just precisely change or improve that sentence. So that's how plagiarism checker work. Okay, so I have showed you all the features of the WriterZen, and I don't think in any SEO toolkit with the lifetime deal you are going to get so many amazing features under the one hood. That's why this is the deal you should not miss out, and its pricing is pretty much really affordable right now, just $79 starting from. So if you want to check out this deal, the link will be given in the description, and if you want to check detailed overview, its tutorial, its comparison, I suggest just go to my YouTube channel, search the WriterZen. You will find out all the comparisons, tutorials, detailed overview for the features, and you will be really get to know whether it's actually the good tool for you or not as the blogger, SEO expert or the content writer. So that's all for today's video. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.